UMLA ka kleriat ubak Kyrmen Shylla ulapin pau ke Kyrmen ke bakrau bagi sorkar jela kan syemkiai kamat halor ka kamti Dewiong ham hagalaya. Mat ula kentui kipat ba benom do Kyrmen haga beniasat ke hok jongki. Haga bapen bet ya kani ke sorkar jela kala phalum bat penkrek gi Jingtih baro rekat gi Jingterwan ke benta beniakren halor ke rukom ti Dewiong ke babit bebiang ha East Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills bat Harilum Garo. Lito ba yakini Jingtih bat kedor khas ans IT syu menteri rang ba kejela uban sebisar penia rangkat bagi officer sorkar syaban IT pat syaka sorkar pedeng. Haba pa syaka rukom ti Dewiong ke mencua ulong ba ke rukom ti open cast mining kamlong ke bebiang Harilum Jaintia namar kawalam ya kejingma ke bakrau wala kala ban bet haki we pat kithan. Ha ka baydai bagi par Dewiong ki bala eno uleto bagi sorkar kadon ya ketup pisa ke bekerpang ban penon kam na ke bentaban maramot biang i par Dewiong ki bala khang lengba ka Meghalaya Mining Pass Through Environmental Rehabilitation Fund. Unu MLA ula kubur bagi jing banyo license di Dewiong namar ke jingnon kam bahadu sispa hektar ke jaka ke penlong i kitra jaka ke berentang si akar hadu lai akar ban cu no i par jongki. Ndai lengba kene kedor khas ke batamai ke bans IT hau menteri rang ba dan ke Kyrmen bagi par ki barem kila ban penon kam biang yaki rengkat bagi jengbot perking yaki an jong sorkar. Bat kene ke rukom ti Dewiong ke batamai kan long ke beper bat ka ba kambet bani ke rukom ke barim.
Question doesn't arise. We are here fighting for our rights, and if we still doubt, we will lose hope fighting for that. So we have full faith that the government will give justice to us. 12 years is a long year. We have been patient enough all this time. So this is a time where the government have give us a decision and give us a chance also to collect all the information and then send a proposal to the government as how it will be feasible for the mining in our region, East Jaintia Hills, in West Khasi Hills, and even Garo Hills. All this we have to submit it together in one memorandum to the Chief Minister. And the Chief Minister, after a thorough study about this with his official, then they'll take a decision and then submit it to the central government. Because this time we don't want to have, to fail again. It might be a failure from our side or from whom we cannot blame anybody, because we have seen the open cast mining. What has been implemented is not feasible, especially in my region, East Jaintia Hills. So it might be feasible from other part of the state, but in my area, it's not feasible. So that's why we feel that it's a high time for us to modify this. This modification, it might take time, but we have full hope that this time we'll do it, properly, and then we'll make sure that it happened this time. We feel the need is that number one, we have to go through the state government, and the state government needs to do that. Is the duty of the state government who to approach and what is the next step to be taken. Because for us, our duty, and we were asking for our rights, and we are doing our duty by providing the information needed to the government, and after that the government will take a decision. Who, whom, where, how is the government decision. That's why a few a private expert has been consulted, and they are the one who prepared this proposal. But we will hand over to the government, and the government they'll have their own expert, their own engineer. Based on that, they'll study our proposal if it is feasible, or else maybe something need to be added there. The government will do that. But we, from our side, what we want to submit it first to them. And one more thing I would like to ask my people, not only East Jaintia Hills, but to the people of the state as a whole, when it comes to coal issues, I wish and I believe that they understand that here is not a fight of just one man or one party or a fight of just one organization. It's a fight of each and every individual. Either direct or indirectly, it affects everyone. So for here, whatever the fight, either against each other or against the entity or against the government, whatever you feel it, let's fight it together with one feelings, with one motive, that we will leave this ban uh, permanently from our state, so that we will have our rights and we will have our livelihood. Otherwise, fighting alone, it really will have impact and will divide us. So let us not divide ourselves. Let's work together tirelessly, and then I believe that the government and the people authority will do the needful for the people of his, I mean the Jaintia Hills and the state as a whole.